Hey everyone, I'm coming to you today for a very special announcement. I've just returned home from Pampered Chef National Conference 2018, where I was gifted one coupon good for a free starter kit. I'm going to be giving away this free starter kit coupon to one of you. If you've ever thought about joining the Pampered Chef, trying on the apron, to earn extra income, or simply getting out of the house a couple of times a month, but financial constraints kept you from that, this is your chance. The starter kit coupon is going to be good towards any of our 3 starter kits. It's valued at $109, and that credit can be used towards our basic starter kit, which is $109 and comes with over $450 of products, our deluxe starter kit, which is $159 and has over $650 of products, or our ultimate starter kit, which is $249 and comes with over $1,000 of products. To be entered to win, all you have to do is fill out the link in the giveaway description. Share that link with your friends and family. Share this post on your Facebook wall to help spread the word. I'll be doing the drawing live here on this Pampered Chef Facebook page on Sunday, August 12th at 3 p.m. Central Time. Be sure to share that link, like I said, and spread the word so that we have as many people as possible in the drawing. I'll see you all on Sunday.